Manufacturing plants and warehouses are facing collision risk, ergonomic challenges, unsafety behaviors, and lack of real-time visibility. This solution addresses safety, quality, and modernization all in one. So you can talk about a triple win. Customer reduce incidents that impacts safety and productivity metrics. They can also improve quality, so this impacts customer satisfaction, and then you can leverage existing infrastructure. Factories already have robotic arms, automation, and mobile robots. This solution provides AI-driven safety layer that monitors in real time, automatically intervenes, and reduces risk for workers. Our collaboration with Accenture and NVIDIA puts Belden in the center of three growth trends: physical AI, digital twin, and next-generation networks. The virtual fence pilot project shows the criticality of the network to become a safety enablement platform. Only a company like Belden can provide this kind of mission-critical networks.